Welcome back to Solving Problems with SiteWorks. This is video 4 of our small commercial site. I'm Mike Berner from SiteTech Northeast. The last time I left you, we had punched in 1 or 2 contours. Like I had said before, I'll punch the rest of them in so you don't have to see me click through. We can see that I've gone through though and added quite a bit, right? And this is a pretty simple site. Maybe it took me 10 minutes or so to get these all clicked in. You'll notice for the rim elevations, I did actually go through and click these as well to have a drawdown point. If we bring our 3D surface over here now, we can see our building, we can see our contours, we can see where these structures are, right? So where the water is supposed to flow. Zoom out. So this is going to give us nice cuts and fills for our whole surface. We could go through and we can continue to add some of these existings in right in here if we wanted to. What I want to show you now is if we're going to put this in an SMG, well, it's nice to be able to dig on this PDF. I want to put in these edge of pavements. So first thing I'm going to do to clean up my screen a little bit is I'm going to hit my cogwheel. I'm going to turn these point codes off so we don't see them anymore. Clean it up some. What I'm going to do is hamburger menu, Kogo, create points and arcs. Once again, I'm going to just do this, but this time it's going to be a feature line. Edge of pavement. And the reason I want it to be a feature line is this, as you can see, is not elevated. It's not like a contour with a solid. If I had spot grades put along here, I could just go through and like where this contour hits and get the elevation for it. But I'm going to be getting cuts and fills to my finished grade surface anyways. So I'm just going to run it as a feature line, and then I can also cross all these other break lines with no issue. And I can come right to there because there's a building corner there. And then I can zoom right in, and it's okay. What's nice about this is you can zoom just as close as you want to be and just come across here. And as I said in the last video, this can be as close precision as you're tapping as you want it to be. You can make points every inch if you really wanted to and zoom way in there. But what's nice is all in one sitting we can show up to a site, get set up, situated, reference a couple of points, do an existing ground topo, and what I'm going to show you is actually a cut and fill between the two to get us moving and to confirm that we are doing what we've bid on. So come across here. Right, we got all these bump outs like this. Ooh, getting a little wonky there. Down. A lot of radius is pulling into these garage doors. And now most of the time you'll see that line is off, the building line is off the PDF a little bit. Most of the time you're over digging anyways, and the contractor's not responsible for pinning this foundation or concrete. If you're lucky beforehand, someone will have come and staked where the building was. It'll give you a little bit firmer reference point, but dimensionally is exactly where it needs to be. Come down to here. Cross, we got a dumpster pad, but we're going to go right to the edge of the pavement. Bear with me, we're almost there. Stretch down to this island. If you wanted to come back and connect it, you could. For right now, we're just going to leave it open. And we're going to just ignore elevation on that because it's a feature line. And now we have a line that we can stake out. What we'll do in our next video is we're going to go through and we're actually going to compare the two surfaces so you can see how that works.